Kennedy Cartwright, Assistant District Attorney.
Okay.
Be quiet now, dear. This is a hearing. Now, Mr. Vanderberg, you are bringing this hearing. You may begin.
Yes, Your Honor. In regards to the situation here that I was just more recently made aware of, I find that the charges made against my client and colleague, Teddy Roberts, to be egregious and a direct violation of his Eighth Amendment rights. I feel that in the situation that Judge Morales was not using correct judgment and decided to excessively fine my client and excessively give him a cruel and unusual punishment of 50 months, which is far exceeding PC 3106 by by over 3.5 times the allotted time, and over 3.5 times over 3 times the fine amount. The defense wishes that the charges be dropped against my client, or that he be given a form of compensation in regards to the situation, and further actions taken afterwards the further actions be taken against the Morales in a different situation. But overall, I feel that this is a situation that is egregious and unconstitutional. That is all, Your Honor.
Okay, dear. Mrs. Cartwright, dear.
The state would like to propose that while they support the judge's decision, and if he finds him in contempt, it should follow the penal code, which is the $2,000 fine and the 15 months. So we would seek to fine him with that. Though the state feels that the more appropriate fine is within the penal code under unprofessional conduct on a court docket, which is a $5,000 fine and no sentence, and would propose that to the court in maybe differentiation from the 3106 that was charged.
Okay, dearie. So here's what we are going to do. As we have stated previously, Judge Morales was within his right to file contempt of court. Okay, dear? To hold Mr. What is his name? Roberts in contempt, dear. Now that said, we agree with you that this was an egregious punishment, dear. And we will put him down to, dear, what is the code? What is the code number, dear?
3106, right?
Yeah.
Miss York,
Yes.
could you verify that, please, dear?
3106 is state contempt of court.
Yes, dear. That is what he shall be receiving. If he wants to further contest it, then he will need to file some bar complaints and other things of that nature. But as it stands, the judge has full authority in his courtroom to hold people in contempt, dear. Justice Nunab, your comments, dear.
I agree. I agree with the baseline of contempt that Morales did hand out there. But I also agree with the Honorable Granny and Ms. Cartwright that the...
I am not honorable, dear. I am a justice.
Uh-huh. That the
York
time is
is
egregious.
honorable, dear.
Thank you.
Continue. Please continue, dear. Hello, dear.
Who are you talking to?
You, please continue.
I was done.
What did you say?
He agrees.
I said that I agree.
Oh, good for you, dear. Judge York, dear.
Yes. Do I agree?
Do you have another opinion, dear?
What is? Yeah, what is your opinion?
I agree with the way things are
No.
written right now that Judge Morales was within his right at this point, as the way things are written.
Okay, dear, that is what we shall do. We will revert it to only PC 3106, dear. Yes?
Correct.
I
Oh,
agree.
correct, dear. How long has he served in jail, dear?
Your Honor, I feel that he's already he's already served the 15 months.
And the state will confirm, dear.
Ms. Cartwright, would you be able to confirm how much time he serves to this point?
Would I contact DOC?
Yes. Or you can ask that officer to radio them behind you.
I'm not sure there's any
So
DOC.
ordered, dear.
Oh, I'm trapped. Can
Nunab,
you?
sign it, would you please, dear?
Mm-hmm.
Would you sign the release for these gentlemen and gentle ladies, dear?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Granny.
Oh, you are welcome, dear. We will have to make cookies afterward.
Yes,
Ooh.
I wanted your cookies earlier today.
Thank you again for hearing this, Justice Noonan and Nunab.
It has truly been a pleasure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hearing is concluded.